Whatever it is, put it in your tags and also use your description box to the best of your ability. Yeah.
Baby sawale, sawa sawa sawale, sawa sawa sawale.
Hi guys, it's Naya. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome cousin. How are you? Oh my god, my nail is broken. Here on my channel, I give you guys YouTube tips and tricks. I do my hair when I feel cute, and I do a bunch of other stuff that you guys probably do not care about, but I'm still going to show you guys. Welcome to a YouTube upload. I miss you guys. In today's video, I will be explaining to you guys how important is your description box and how important are tags and how much of an effect does it make on your channel. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, give a video a thumbs up and comment down below if you have or have not been utilizing tags and or your description box to the fullest capacity. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. We know that your thumbnail is important. We know that the title of your video is important, but do we also know that tags and a description box is important? And I went over this before in one of my videos. I'm not sure exactly which one. If you guys remember which one, then comment down below which one it was. But I kind of went over how important the description box is. And then I also talked about the fact that I don't really know how important tags are. So I did some research on my own and I found that tags are actually very important. And here is how. So first of all, you want to use your description box to the fullest that you can. Whatever your video is about, make sure that you're talking about that in your video as well, because YouTube analytics, they look at stuff like that. They look at the description box. They dish out videos based on what your description box says, what you're saying in your videos. Yes, what you're saying in your videos and what your title is about. This is how they give content to other people. So if you're scrolling down your YouTube page and you see something recommended and it's something that you're actually interested in, it's because of the YouTube analytics, and that's just a whole separate video. If you guys want a whole separate video on how YouTube analytics works, I can get that for you guys. Just comment it down below and give this video a thumbs up. Whatever you're saying in your videos, you kind of want to go over that, but briefly in your description box. I think the description box goes up to like 5,000 characters. Use it. And like I said, I went over this before, so I don't want to hear nobody saying that I'm repeating myself, because yes, I did go over it before, but it was very brief. I'm going to use the same example that I used before, and it was my brand, which is Peridot Luxe. So basically, I don't really say Peridot, like I say Peridot Luxe in my videos, but when you type in Peridot Luxe in YouTube, try it out, you will see my videos because that's what's in my description box. So imagine I'm making a video about a ring light review, and in the title I only put like ring light review, and in the description box is when I put Neewer ring light from Amazon blah 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 blah. That has a better chance of being searched up because you added additional details. So if someone were to type in YouTube search ring light Amazon cheap, and that's not in your title, because it's in your description box, it can also be shown up as an option. So that's how important your description box is. It just gives you a better chance to be searched up, even if it's not what you said in your title. What's crazy, what I just figured out, is tags work the same exact way. So you can use hashtags in your description box, and you can also use tags like it's an actual tag. So you know how you have hashtags on Instagram, you hashtag, I don't know, food, hashtag whatever it is that's in your picture. You want people that see that tag to find your page. It is the same exact way, but there's two different ways that you can tag. You can hashtag your video within the description box. So if you're doing a hair tutorial, hashtag this wig, hashtag Valentine's Day. No, y'all, whatever. I don't know where Valentine's Day came from, but that was just an example. But the second kind of tag is the one that I see on my computer. I'm not sure if you can see it from a mobile device. So basically, you're going to want to open up YouTube. Go to your YouTube Studio. You select this, YouTube Studio. Then on the side here, you're going to want to go to vid. And then let's select this video here. You're going to want to select details. You see how you have the title, the description box. It's empty right now, but I'm going to post this video soon. Your thumbnail, if you want to post a custom thumbnail, you can use that. Add it to a playlist, whatever. No, my video is not made for kids. You show more, but you see your option that says, oopsie. Tag. Oop, girl, let me highlight you. Tags. This is where you can add your tags here. What tags are is basically phrases that you put that other people might search up because you want them to find you. I hope that made sense. Say I'm doing a makeup tutorial with LA Girls Pro Conceal, right? And I could just put in the hashtag makeup tutorial, LA Girls Pro Conceal. And even if that's not in my description box or my title, because it's in my tags, it will be shown up because that is what I typed up within the tags. I hope that this is making sense to you guys. So that's pretty much the difference between tags and the description box, but both of them work together to do the same exact thing, which is allows you to type in more so that other people can find you, and that YouTube knows how to work the analytics. So you have these options for a reason, and I want you guys to start using them. So I really hope that this video helped you guys get a better understanding of the importance of tags versus the description box, how they're important and why they're important and what they do for your channel. If you guys want more YouTube related content, oh my gosh, look at my finger. Look at my pinky. This is embarrassing. If you guys want more related content, please don't forget to subscribe and put your post notifications on. I do a lot of other stuff here on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below as well as right behind me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Baby, corner, baby, and I go